the statement that Uddhared Atmanatmanam, that is Mahagnana Sutra in Bhagavad Gita. You have to lift yourself by your own efforts. So, my dear friends, never ever blame others. Never ever have any complaints against anybody. If you are having complaints against anybody, you are not a scientist, you are not a spiritual scientist. Don't even have complaints against yourself, your past. Rectify your present. Don't care for the past. Gatam, gataha. Even if you are an Angulimala, you can become a Buddha. In 4 years of meditation, a highway robber, Ratnakara, became Valmiki. What have we learned from Ramayana? What have we learned from Valmiki? Why can't we do meditation?